One of the pieces of information tracked by Word is when a document was first created. In this quick tip, I show you how you can access that date and add it to your document. Word keeps track of a good deal of information about your document and then makes that information available to you. One of the pieces of information tracked is the document creation date. Now, this date is the date when the file was first created, meaning opened as a brand new file, or the last time that you used the Save As command to save the file under a new name. Word allows you to insert this date into your document. All you need to do is go ahead and position the insertion pointer where you want that date to be inserted. Now we're going to jump over to the Insert tab of the ribbon. We're then going to go ahead and use the Quick Parts tool over here at the right side of the ribbon, and then we're going to choose Field. That displays the Field dialog box. In the Categories list at the left side, I'm going to go ahead and choose Date and Time. And then in the field names just below here, I want to use the Create Date option. That's the one that's selected by default here. That's the creation date for this particular document. Now, if I want to, I can go ahead and select in the right side in the Field Properties area the format that I want to use for this date. I'm fine with the one that's selected here by default, so all I'm going to do is go ahead and click on OK. And you can see that the full date, including the time, appears within this particular document. This type of field is a big help when you're using dates with memos like the one on the screen or with letters and reports. The date stays the same as when you first created the file, unless, again, you save the file under a new name, which changes the file creation date. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.